welcome to Vlogmas day 10. So today I got some running around to do, some errands to run. We gotta go to Walmart. Hopefully we can go to Walmart and it's a one-stop shop, but you know, it's hit or miss, so we'll see. So you guys will come along with me. I hope you guys have been enjoying all the Vlogmas videos that everybody has been putting up so far. So let's go. Y'all, so Walmart was not a one-stop shop, unfortunately. People probably looking at me like I'm crazy, but it got hot, y'all. I had to strip. It says it's 62 degrees outside. It's crazy. So I'm about to go to Ross so I can get hangers, because honey, we got a lot of clothes. I need to finish laundry. I need to go through some clothes, but yeah, Walmart didn't have everything I needed. So we about to go to Ross and pick up the rest of the stuff.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with.
Want something else?
Don't make me laugh.
You want something else?
Okay. What we gonna get? Bruh, you see this line?
You dedicated to sitting in line?
Oh gosh.
Are you that dedicated to finding to sit in that line?
Are you?
Fuck no.
Wow. Okay. Next place. Where are we gonna go? Dang, I really had my mind set on that too. Guess you better go to that Wendy's. Ain't nobody in that line.
That's right, yeah. That's right, turn around.
Yeah, why you didn't just pull in the...
I don't fuck with that.
Now we gotta sit at the light.
Yeah. Shh.
I said don't make me laugh. Y'all, we struggle bus tonight. Trying to get some food because I don't want to cook.
This is what happens.
What you trying to say?
We get on struggle bus.
When I don't want to cook? Is that what you're trying to say?
We're on the struggle bus right now. Is what I'm saying. Because you didn't cook tonight. But you just said that, so.
Yeah. Oh gosh. I mean, it ain't nobody in they line. Like,
Kids popping.
wow.
Kids over there fucking banging.
Yeah, they sitting there through that. I would happily give me a spicy chicken sandwich.
That's what you want?
Yeah.
And nuggets, right?
Yeah.
With the drink.
Strawberry lemonade.
Hi, can I have number 6? You want a large?
Okay, number 6, is everything on the sandwich?
Yes, ma'am. Can you make that a large for me, please?
Of course. Do you want the drink for you?
Strawberry lemonade.
And do you want me ketchup in this bag?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Put up for you.
Also, can I have a number 8? Sorry, not a number 8. The Asiago chicken ranch. Can you make that a spicy for me, please?
We have a chicken sandwich that's sliced up and on a wrap.
Oh, no, I'm the number 10.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
And you said spicy with the sandwich?
Yes, ma'am.
Does mine come with bacon on it?
Can you make that a large for me, please?
And
No.
what's your drink?
I want the one with bacon on it.
Can I have Powerade? No ice?
Powerade, no ice. Did you want ketchup for these fries as well?
Yes, please.
Put up, please.
Also, can I have 2 orders of spicy chicken nuggets?
4, 6, 10, or 20.
Can you make that 10 for me, please?
2 orders of 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Any dipping sauces?
Sweet and sour sauce.
Okay, what else for you?
That'll be all.
27, 27 is the first window. Thank you.
Thank you.
Babe,
Oh,
you didn't get my bacon.
sorry.
You ain't.
Oh, my. What are you gonna...
I know you ain't.
I was up. I was honest.
So that make it any better?
Yeah.
No. Crooked and whatnot. You should be empty.
Check the bar. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you. Appreciate it.
You said pull forward.
Yeah.
Where you going? Did you say pull forward?
Yeah.
Dang, man, you gonna make her walk 1.5 miles to give you the food. Y'all, don't mind him. He tired. He tired. He had a long day. he been up since
4:30.
4:30.
4:30 a.m. That's how you would have said. But I can't say it like you see.
4:30 a.m.
Say it like
4:30 a.m.
That's exactly how you would say it.
He always talking about my
Tryna
country
style it.
accent.
Yeah, try to style. Don't try to style.
Anywho, y'all, this is all I
See they
got.
said.
This is all I got for the vlog today, y'all. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, we made a late night drive-through run with the hubby. So you have anything to say to close out the vlog?
Bye.
Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in Vlogmas Day. Wait, what Vlogmas is this? This is Vlogmas Day 10, so we'll see y'all in Vlogmas Day 11. All right.
Wow. 11.
Shut up.
That accent, boy.
Bye, y'all.